Hey y'all, I wanted to pop in here really quick today. This is Clancy. What's up? And show you how to check your feedback on the ads that you've placed. So I'm going to share my screen with you real quick. And you're going to want to go to your fan page. And first of all, at the top of the page, you'll see a couple of things. You want to go to Publishing Tools when you're in your fan page. And then from here on the left-hand side, you see a bunch of things. You see post, publish post. I'm going to click on the first one I have going. And this is a recent post that I posted from my fan page to Facebook in my ads manager. You can see on the left is my ad. On the right is my feedback so far. 600 people reached, 97 likes, comments, shares, 89 likes, 8 comments. I don't have any shares yet, 10 clicks, photo views. Then down here at the bottom is the part you're going to want to pay attention to. This is the negative feedback, and this is what Facebook looks at to see, how your customers' experience is. And they don't love negative feedback, so if you're getting negative feedback, you're going to want to know about that. You're going to want to check this pretty often. Whether someone hid your post, reported it as spam, or unliked your page, that is very important to know because Facebook wants their customers to have a beautiful experience and not a negative experience. And therefore, that could potentially get your ad account flagged. So for that, I just wanted to pop in and say hey and let you know about that. Hope